What is community service in the BNS? A new punishment. Community service is listed as a recognized punishment in Section 4(f) of the BNS, alongside imprisonment and fines. Purpose. It functions as a non-custodial, restorative justice approach designed to reintegrate offenders into society rather than just punishing them. Remuneration. The work performed must be for the benefit of the community and is done without any entitlement to remuneration for the convict. Judicial discretion. The magistrate has the power to decide the specific nature of the community service for each case. Nature of community service. Community service involves tasks that benefit the community or public institutions, rather than being purely punitive. Common examples include public space maintenance, cleaning parks, streets, or public toilets; healthcare support, assisting in hospitals or old age homes; educational support, helping maintain school facilities, libraries, or community centers; environmental work, planting trees, weeding roadsides, or cleaning public gardens. The specific tasks are assigned by the court in coordination with local authorities or designated institutions. Duration of community service. The duration varies based on the seriousness of the offense and the offender's background. Short-term tasks, 131 days. Longer assignments, 240 hours of service, often spread over several weeks. Courts have discretion to set daily hours, frequency, and total duration, ensuring it is proportionate to the offense while remaining rehabilitative rather than burdensome. Oversight. Local authorities or probation officers monitor the service to ensure compliance. Reports are submitted to the court, which may adjust the service if necessary. In essence, community service under BNS is rehabilitative, constructive, and flexible, aiming to integrate minor offenders back into society while benefiting the community. Community service is listed as a punishment for 6 specific offenses under the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, BNS, 2023, including public servants unlawfully engaging in trade, non-appearance in response to a proclamation, attempting to commit suicide to compel a public servant, petty theft, misconduct by a drunken person in public, and defamation. Here are the specific offenses for which community service can be imposed under the BNS 2023. Section 202, public servant unlawfully engaging in trade. Section 209, non-appearance in court in response to a proclamation under Section 84 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, BNSS, 2023, Section 226. Attempt to commit suicide with the intent to compel or restrain the lawful power of a public servant. Section 303, 2. Theft where the value of the stolen property is less than Rs 5,000, provided it is a first conviction and the property is returned or its value is restored. Section 355, misconduct in public by a drunken person. Section 356, 2. Defamation, judicial perspective. The introduction of community service under the BNS reflects a shift towards a more rehabilitative approach in the criminal justice system. Courts have increasingly recognized the benefits of community service in reforming minor offenders and reducing the burden on the prison system. Community service serves as a rehabilitative, restorative, and cost-effective alternative in criminal law, benefiting both offenders and society while easing the burden on courts and prisons. In summary, community service under the BNS serves as a constructive alternative to traditional punitive measures, aiming to rehabilitate offenders and benefit the community simultaneously. Please share and subscribe my channel Legal AI.